Hey everyone, so today I'll teach you how to get to know that my string is a palindrome or not. So before going towards the question, let me tell you what palindrome is. For example, I have a string ma'am. If you can see, the reverse of ma'am is ma'am only, right? The reverse of ma'am is ma'am only, so it's a palindrome. So palindrome is nothing, it's just like the reverse of that word should be same. And if I take the example of listen, the reverse of listen will be ill, right? So it's not a palindrome. What a palindrome is the reverse of any string. If the reverse of any string is same, then it's a palindrome, as we have taken the example of a ma'am. And if the reverse of that string is not same as the original, then it's not a palindrome. So let us see how can we get to know. For example, we have just input some string. Then I'll simply use if a equals to a minus 1. So what it will do, it will reverse my string. So what I'm writing here, that if my string and my reverse string are equal, then I want to print, yes, it's a palindrome. And else, I want to print, no, that is not a palindrome. So let us see. So I'm inputting the example that I have given you, ma'am. So yeah, it's written here. Yes, it's a palindrome. If I write listen, it will say no, it is not a palindrome. I hope this method is clear to you. Now I'll tell you another method to get to know whether it's a palindrome or not. So first we will do hmm, first we will make some empty list. I'm telling this method with the help of loops because in many interviews it is asked with the help of loops like it is a palindrome or not with the help of loops, then you can't use this method, right? So in that case, you will use this method. So I'm making two empty strings. So I'm writing for I in A, then D equals to D plus I. So what I'm writing here, if that ki for I in A, then I want to increase my string with that I. And then for I in reverse day, what that means? If I reverse my string, then it should be added in my R string. And then I'll use if D equals to R, print yes, else, print no. So what I am doing here, let me explain it first. So I have taken two empty strings, right? So first I am taking it as that only. If for I in A, then I want to increase my string. I want to append my string with that I. And for I in reverse A, when I reverse my string, for example, when I reverse ma'am, then the I should be added in the R. Okay. So what I'm doing here that so D is our same string and R was my reverse string. So if my D is equals to my reversed string, then print yes, else no. So what we are doing here, we are just making that R, that my string should be equal to my reverse string. That's what we are doing. For that, we are making two empty strings, and just pending it. So let me write some. If I write ma'am, so you can see it's good written yes. If I write listen or any other thing, it will be written no. I think the spellodrome is clear. That's all for this video. If you like it, do subscribe and like our channel. Thank you.